So my wife is having today, she's having I would call it vegan stir fry. So what it is tofu, some zucchinis, peppers, some grilled red onions. We have some lentils in there for texture, a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I put a little bit of a Greek seasoning in there. So that's it, straightforward. And she's gonna have this on a bed of spinach, and that's what she's having for dinner. Also included in that meal is a side dish. I call it a side dish. It's inside, you see, in the big ones. These are the plantains. These ones, believe it or not, green bananas. And you know, people say you heat green bananas. Of course, you boil it and you heat it. A lot of zinc, iron, a lot of nutrition in these areas. So, you know, we prefer eating this than potatoes. Yes, there's a starch contents in there. A starch content is inside this, but you know what? I rather this starch here than the potato starch. It's when you heat this, it's very light. So we have the plantain, as you can see. The small one in front is the green bananas, and to your right there is some fresh spinach. And now we're gonna put that mixture we talk about here, right over it. The lentils, the peppers, the zucchinis, the grilled red onions, and the tofu. So here's a meal plan. So we have all the ingredients we tell you about a while ago. So after that, what you're gonna have is two fruit, which is peach. Peach is in season right now, fall, Ontario peach, and we have some plums there. And that's the dessert. That's the sweet. No other dessert here. No sugary, natural sugar. So you know, peaches in season. Why not? You can. Some people take it and make it in pie, but we don't need pie. So we go a piece of fruits, plum and a peach, Ontario.
Thank you for watching. Baby, what is it?
You have pumpkin in there, you have carrots, you have parsnip, rutabaga, tofu, roasted root vegetables. All those from on the ground, except the tofu.
So this is what I'm going to have, my post-workout. I'm going to have tofu, sauteed with the broccoli, and then I'm going to have bits, red bits. Oh my god, I'm in love with this thing. It's so good. And let's see the final result. So what you have here, I have my spinach, I have tofu, I have plantain, boiled plantain, and I have broccoli, onions. My husband prepared that, of course. And then we're gonna have corn, and then my dessert will be apple, organic apple, of course. And I'm going to have water. So that's my meal after 24 hours of fasting. So I'm going to eat that. So it's tofu mixed with sauteed onions, boiled chickpeas. We got the chickpea from Costco. It's a big bag of chickpeas. And then he added broccoli and then a little bit of salt, olive oil, and that's it. So I put that on top of my large bowl of spinach. So this is what I'm gonna have. And for my dessert, this is the star of the show. This is what always make me break my fasting. It's peanut butter with banana. That's what I'm gonna have for dessert. And the one my favorite, the one I'm passionate about, it's all crunchy. It's all natural crunchy peanut butter. There's no added sugar on it. It's very, very good. I got that. Yeah, it's really good. And I have that with banana and orange. This is how I break my fast. So I will see you next time. Bye.
First day of fall coming up. So what we do, because it's getting so cold, we're making a nice, the Wilson family soup, I call it. So what we have in here, we have plantain, chickpeas, zucchinis, grilled red onions. This is a little stuff there. Peppers, broccoli, spinach. A lot of iron in that. And also you see we put some sauteed tofu in there. That brown looking stuff like meat is not meat, it's tofu. Okay, it's a vegan house already, right? So plantain, and anybody who don't know what plantain is like a bigger version of a banana, but it's not a banana, please Google if you're not certain. Yeah, so that's what it is. And the base is just water, a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's it. This is what the final meal look like here, and a bit of avocado just to finish it up, because it give a nice rich creaminess to it. And on the right side is one of our favorite sweet, because we don't like the fake sugar, so we're having mangoes. Still find a nice one out there, and it's pretty sweet. So there's our dessert there.